Silky Pocketboy Curve 170mm folding saw is a favorite of arborists because of its space-saving design and smooth cutting action. This larger 170mm version of the PocketBoy Curve gives you a longer reach and faster cutting than straight blade versions, especially when cutting branches above shoulder height. The Silky blade is made with impulse-hardened teeth that stay sharp 3 times longer than regular blades and have Silky's Mirai-Me technology with 4 cutting angles on each tooth for the smoothest cutting action possible. Take that, Jaws!